Arrive in style with this 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: cruise control, keyless entry, front reading lamps, rear defrost, CD player, brake assist, traction control, and stability control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.